Talaga namang we are very lucky to have our guest this afternoon. Biwenyo, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Ayan, so hello everyone. Hello sa ating mga kapamilya who have been watching and avidly supporting Tita Aya's Talk Show. To start, I am Lazala, a second-year student of base accountancy from Bicol University, Daraga campus. Tita Aya, it's so nice to be invited here.
The pleasure is ours, Joaquin. Everyone knows that we can start without my classic fast talk with Tita Aya. Are you now ready? Late night study or early morning study?
Early morning study.
Caffeinated drinks or carbonated drinks?
Kahit mainit naman ako ng caffeinated drinks.
Are the subjects so far?
Hindi lang lang siya. Period.
Balance or balyan?
Balance.
Trace accounting lectures or search was accounting lectures?
Search was accounting.
That was fun doing it with you. Now let's talk about you in the SED program. Are you now ready?
Yes, Tita Aya. Do I still have a choice ba? Sige na po, go.
So, kamusta ka? How are you as of now inside the accountancy program? I'm sure many would love to hear your answers about this.
Tita Aya, to be honest, this program is very tiring. And the only ones who can make it out alive, legit ito,
Are those who are really passionate about learning everything from scratch. Simula. And almost all of their time, dapat nag-devote studying and learning.
Joaquin, we know that there's a lot of school that offers BS accountancy. So why did you choose Bicol University?
Tita Aya, alam mo po ba, I am a fan of PRC board results sa Facebook. Yung page nila mismo, like, every time na mayroong results for such examination, yung may mga board exam, bar exam, I am always in there, casually browsing and seeing the comments of those people and yung result mismo. To add, halos sa lahat ng results sa Bicol University, it produces top-notch results. Diba, doon pa lang, you can know that the quality of education is very great to begin with.
So may times ba na you really wanted to give up and stop?
A lot of times. Yet, our professor has been backing us up constantly, reminding us that all of those efforts na nag-give namin will not be wasted after everything. They always say that it is better to suffer early or rather than be helpless and cannot afford to change what you have in front of you.
Now, can you tell me some experiences during the program when you realized that you'll be finishing this degree with flying colors and realizing that the option of giving this up is not a choice anymore?
Okay. We're getting personal in here, Tita Aya. So, I would say that aside from my personal reasons to pursue and get this degree done, one situation that helped me to reassess and firmly set foot in this program is when I first got a 2.5 final grade sa isang subject ko ng first semester. Alam niyo naman na pag-accountancy, ang ceiling grade is 2.4. The fire in me grew big as gusto ko matapos ko to kasi ang dami ko bang hindi nalalaman and I am very eager to learn everything as long as the time permits. It became one of my starting point, really. When I started to study really hard, though sometimes di pa rin enough. But at least you already know something and that is what matters the most.
Buti hindi ka sumuko after that since you are an overachiever and 1 point na lang sana, save ka na since 2.4 ang passing grade sa inyo.
A lot of my classmates back then were really planning to either transfer na or shift to other courses. Tita Aya, I can say na it did cross my mind. But I know myself na if nakayanan ng seniors namin, kaya ko rin.
You heard him loud and clear.
I hope you guys did listen to it. So, yes, Tita Aya.
Again, Joaquin, thank you for being with us this afternoon.
You're very much welcome, Tita Aya. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel, Tita Aya's Talk Show. And with this, we conclude our talk show. So, thank you guys.